All right, so I'm here to talk about the word from Tuesday, January 5th, the second word in week 7, which is whereas. So whereas is a conjunction. You guys have learned some about conjunctions. Two kinds of conjunctions. You have fanboys conjunctions, or coordinating conjunctions, and then you have another kind, which my class we just did in Red Ink yesterday, which is subordinating conjunctions. Which the Red Ink program, calls those swabbies, which is not that because that helps you memorize 5 of them, but there are way more than 5. Those are just so with fanboys, you memorize the 7. Those are all of them. There are no more in the world. Only 7 fanboys. But swabbies, subordinating, there are many of them. These are just 5 common ones. So whereas is not one of those 5 on Red Ink, but it's the same kind of conjunction. It's a subordinating conjunction. I'm sorry. And so a subordinating conjunction follows certain comma rules, which we'll talk about. Subordinating conjunction, not fanboys. And it is used to compare or contrast two facts. And I would say, this is a little confusing to say compare or contrast. I would say this. It shows difference. So it shows that they're different. I think better to say that. So it shows that two things are different. That's what it shows. It contrasts. So they're different. So, and it follows the subordinating conjunction comma rule. So for example, so let's see here. If we have, my sister and I have different favorite colors. So we could use whereas to show the contrast, the difference. That we have different favorite colors. We could say, my favorite color is green. Whereas my sister's is brown. Are the two favorite colors the same or different? Different. Different, right? And but then we could write the same sentence but switch the order. That's what you can do with this kind of conjunction. You can write them in 2 different orders. So that's what Red Ink was telling you. They call this a middle swabby. You put the conjunction in the middle, and there's no comma. So like this, no comma. The other way to do it, which is also correct, is conjunction in the beginning. That's called a front swabby, according to Red Ink. Conjunctions in the beginning, then what do you put in the middle? Comma. A comma in the middle of the sentence. So whereas my sister's favorite color is brown, comma, mine is green. This is just like with all the subordinating conjunctions, like because. So you use follow that same rule. In Spanish, mientras que, en tanto que, I put here, this is not related to time. I don't want people to get confused by mientras and start thinking it has nothing to do with time. It's not things happening at the same time. It's nothing to do with time. It's saying that 2 things are different from each other. So it shows contrast, not related to time. So mientras, pero mientras en el sentido de decir que 2 cosas son diferentes. So, mi color favorito es verde, mientras el de mi hermana es café. Is that it's nothing to do with time. It's just saying that the 2 colors are different. Not about time. Not about time. So actually, we could also say in English synonyms, although or though, right? Which is like in Spanish, that's aunque. So it's kind of like aunque. You can think about it that way. It's showing that 2 things are different. Showing that 2 things are different, not the same. That's what it's for. Questions about this? No? Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Thank you for filming.